If you're planning a camping trip, it's a must to have these devices that'll make your life easier. Discover an affordable folding solar stove priced at only $30. Despite its simple design, don't be fooled, because this little gem goes beyond boiling and cooking food. It can even fry it. The ingenuity lies in the fact that your food is placed in a 400 milliliter container. With the help of special plates, the temperature inside reaches 280 degrees Celsius, thanks to the heat of the sun. But a stove is not enough for a campsite. How about exploring the next invention? There are several inflatable structures that allow you to create a complete camping castle, but here's one that's particularly intriguing. Heim Planet's Cave XL tent option is unique. While others inflate castles for battle, owners of the Cave XL are ready in less than a minute. Designed for 3 people, it weighs about 5 kilograms and stores neatly in a backpack when the cave is folded down. The XL retails for $1,200. Do you think it's a smart solution? While you're pondering, let's take a look at the next must-have invention for your camping trip. The HydroPack company has successfully partnered with industry leaders such as Salomon and Osprey to excel in hydration solutions. The HydroPack Reservoir series is unique in that it offers a hip pack solution that saves valuable space. With wide openings for easy filling and cleaning, the 1.5-liter reservoir is lightweight, weighing only 128 grams and available for $51. Exploring the world of camping gear without including a multifunction tool would be incomplete. Let's take a closer look at why this particular tool is priced at $24. First, buyers have access to 14 tools, ranging from hammers and axes to saws and a trusty bottle opener. Second, the multifunction tool is rugged, with claims that it won't let you down, even when you're working on fire hydrants. Last but not least, it's manufactured by the renowned RAC company, which specializes in the manufacture of multifunction tools. This combination of versatility, durability, and brand reputation makes this product a solid choice for any camping enthusiast or person looking for a reliable tool for a variety of outdoor tasks. With its compact design and wide range of functions, this multi-tool will not only simplify your camping gear, but could also become your trusted companion in various outdoor activities. But if we're going to talk about tools, let's take a look at the next one, which falls into the category of ultimate smart camping inventions. Can you imagine a titanium keyring that turns into a knife? Sounds like a practical idea, and it gets even better with a set of 10 blades included. It also has a handy built-in bottle opener and can be used as a glass breaker and carabiner when the blade is extended. Its length reaches 135 millimeters. You can purchase the keychain and 10-blade set for $89. Now let's talk about one of the most compact portable sinks in the world, the Pocket Sink. Measuring 25 by 18 by 6 centimeters and weighing only 500 grams, it's ideal for traveling. You can even add a foot pedal for hands-free operation, eliminating the need to touch the outdoor environment. Prices range from $10 to $50. Camping is also about comfort, so let's take a look at the next innovative camping gear you should know about. Introducing the world's smallest pump for airbeds, sleeping pads, and more. This device, smaller than a Snickers bar, can provide up to 25 inflations on a single charge. Although the pressure it provides is modest, about 2.5 kilopascals, about 0.2 bar, it's useful for compressing items in vacuum bags. You can buy this pump for as little as $36. Do you know what else is a pump? Discover the following gadget that will freeze you. This cooler hasn't gained much popularity on Kickstarter over the past few years, but it's pretty interesting. It keeps food fresh without using ice or electricity. All you need to do is add clean water to the fridge and the temperature inside will be 3 to 6 degrees Celsius lower than the ambient temperature. This is possible thanks to a smart material that interacts with the water and eliminates heat. You can buy a 60-liter cooler for $140. Speaking of intelligence, these geniuses who invented the following tool deserve your admiration. How lightweight can a hiking hammock be? The creators of the Eno Double Nest achieved a weight of only 540 grams, but the hammock can comfortably hold up to 181 kilograms. They also designed several two-person versions as an added benefit. It includes a built-in pocket for cans and bottles. The Eno Double Nest retails for $75. If your cooking needs exceed the capacity of the GoE, a complete outdoor kitchen like the EXO Open Range may be just what you need. It includes several tables, a cutting board, a sink, a 2-burner stove, and several convenient features. This stove weighs 30 kilograms and offers about 85 liters of storage capacity. Speaking of capacity, the following gadget will provide you with power for hours. This incredible battery called Flash Speed Pro 3000 has a capacity of 9,000 watts, which will make your camping experience easier. In practical terms, a full charge will power a washing machine for 9 hours or charge a laptop up to 835 times. Plus, it comes with wheels and handle for easy transport over various terrains, all for the price of $11,000. If you're considering buying this super battery, we advise you not to combine it with the next invention. The creators of the innovative Float Troy project propose a unique idea to generate income. They invite everyone to spend the night in their floating tents for $95 each. With beautiful scenery and an incredible atmosphere, who cares about the cost? Each camp, consisting of 16 tents and 4 floating fireplaces, offers tents that sleep up to 4 people, including minerals and life jackets as part of the rental package. If you don't want to part with your King Camp sleeping bag after one night, you don't have to. This versatile bag converts into a full poncho with 2 arm openings and a leg opening, so you can hike in comfort without leaving your cozy cocoon. Great for all seasons except winter and available for $35. You know what else can help you in the winter? The next camping gadget. The Elecom Nest Out Power Bank may seem unusual at first glance, but it won a gold award in the International IF Design Competition for good reason. It offers Type-C charging and is protected by the IP67 standard, the same level of protection that allows an iPhone XR to be submerged up to 3 feet for half an hour. With a capacity of 15,000 mAh, you can get one for $60. This gadget is perfect for surviving in the middle of the woods. But you know what else you'll need for those camping days? The next gadget. This survival stove head is a lightweight option, weighing only 57 grams and costing $20. Despite its simple appearance, it offers several advantages. It can be used as a versatile stand or as a knife. This accessory is made by the same natural manufacturer as the Sharp & Spark. Try the Sharp & Spark shafts and choose your side. The white rod sharpens your knife, while the black rod helps you light a campfire. In essence, the Sharp & Spark is a combination lighter and sharpening stone. It weighs only 71 grams and retails for $25. With this super tool and the next invention, you'll have everything you need for your first few days of camping. Let's see. Introducing a portable blanket ideal for taking with you to any destination. This blanket conveniently folds down to the size of a few soda cans, providing comfort in a variety of situations, from the hustle and bustle to the airport to relaxing at the movies. Constructed of 20D nylon, it is environmentally friendly with insulation made from recycled plastic bottles. The XL version of this blanket measures 190 by 137 centimeters and is available for $127. And for those who can't imagine sleeping without music, the next invention is for you. Imagine a speaker that not only works as an accessory for your backpack, but also delivers crystal clear sound. What more could music lovers and outdoor enthusiasts want? How about a built-in flashlight? Well, this speaker has a cover that offers 3 lighting modes. To keep it going, the makers have equipped the speaker with an 800 mAh battery that allows up to 8 hours of continuous music playback. It also connects to your devices via Bluetooth 5.0. This innovative device can be yours for $90. Incredible, isn't it? Well, the next gadget will blow your mind, so stay tuned. If the shower area at your campsite isn't set up properly, it can get wet and dirty over time. The Suite S stand solves this inconvenience by providing a separate base for your shower area. With Suite, you have the ability to collect most of the water and drain it away from your campsite or into a recycling system. Plus, you'll enjoy the comfort of standing on suet bamboo slats instead of the uncomfortable experience of standing on sand or rocks. This handy item is available for $251. Now it's time to explore the ultimate tool. Pay attention, because you'll have a hard time believing it actually exists. With the push of a button, the Radius system can create a 10 square meter mosquito-free zone around your vacation spot. The manufacturers have developed a repellent that does not require excessive heating. As a result, a single wireless cartridge can provide up to 40 hours of protection. You can buy a kit that includes one of these cartridges, a 12-hour replacement case, and power supplies for $90. Which of these accessories is most useful to you? Tell us in the comments.